Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. We are continuing on in our summer whiskey cocktail series. Today, we're making the High Tide. It's a bubbly, boozy, citrusy, basically it's the drink equivalent of pretending your life is together, but with bubbles. Also, there's fruit, so it's practically a salad. After a couple of these, you'll be emotionally floating and legally questionable. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's go through the ingredient lineup. First of all, Cointreau. It's sweet, orangey, and it covers the fact your refrigerator only has condiments. Then we're also going to need some Japanese whiskey. Smooth, sophisticated, unlike your last text message. We're going to have to add some fresh lemon juice. This adds zing and hides regret. We're going to need some green tea syrup. Healthy? Nah, but you know, the illusion is strong. We're also going to need some tonic water. This is just really hydration wrapped up in chaos. And then we're going to need some apple slices. Now that's the fancy garnish with zero nutritional value. And then of course we'll need ice because that is the only thing holding your drink and your life together. Now for the build. So everything but the tonic water goes in the shaker. If you mess up the order, congrats, you're still ahead of my life plan. I'm going to start with 1 ounce of Cointreau. I'm going to follow that up with 1 ounce of Japanese whiskey. Then we're going to need a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Finally, we're going to need a 1/2 ounce of green tea syrup. Now, I'll leave a recipe down in the description on how to make the green tea syrup. Add ice to our shaker. Put this back down here, and then we're gonna go ahead and seal this up. Now you wanna shake this until you hear your future calling, about 10 seconds. Set this aside for a second. We're going to grab a Collins glass and we are going to fill this with ice. Let me get this other. Now you're going to strain this in and over fresh ice because nothing says like you have your life together besides unnecessarily tall glassware. Now we're going to top this with tonic water. This way we get lots of bubbles, minimal responsibility. We're going to give this a gentle stir because we are classy sometimes. And down. Finally, to finish this off, we are going to garnish with a couple of apple slices. Now See, that says, I drink cocktails, I eat fruit, I might make poor choices, but I look good doing it. And there you have it, the High Tide. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. So that's citrusy, there's a whiskey smoothness there, the green tea pretending to be healthy, the tonic bubbles whispering bad ideas. You know, that's a High Tide, baby. Refreshing, delicious, and emotionally unstable. If you love cocktails with bubbles, fake health benefits, and borderline chaos, like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll keep making drinks so you can avoid emotional growth. Stay bubbly, stay unstable, and remember, this is self-care. Probably. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.